What's up, guys? Welcome to Automotive Economics. My name is Sunwin, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to own and operate an electric vehicle like a Tesla at an apartment complex. A lot of people have been asking me, how do you live with an EV at an apartment complex? And I tell them, well, you've got to get really creative. There's really no way to get like a Tesla wall charger or something mounted out here unless you convince your landlord to be like, hey, can you install this for me, and I'll pay you, or I'll pay an electrician to get it done. But then again, it's an apartment complex. You're not going to stay here extended periods of time. You might stay here for a year or two, maybe 3 or 4 years, and then move out, get a house, whatever. In this scenario, for me, it made sense for me to get this situation figured out the way that I did it. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It might not be like the best looking, but it's going to work, and it's going to work probably for you as well. It might take a little bit more finagling on your part. It did on my part, but it has been very effective. I charge my Tesla at 26 miles per hour, and it's awesome. So instead of the 3, 4, 5, 6 miles per hour on a 110, 120 volt, I'm charging a 240 volt outlet, aka my dryer outlet, and it's worked perfectly fine for me. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it as well. So right now I'm actually using a NEMA 10-30 outlet from my dryer, my 240 volt dryer, and I did a conversion to a NEMA 1430. I'm having a bit of a problem right here. So this is the NEMA 10-30 plug converted to a NEMA 1430 outlet, and that's the NEMA 1430 extension cable plug. And all I do is just plug that in and then plug it into the dryer wall outlet, and then I will show you guys outside how I've ran it in my apartment. So I've plugged that in, and then I'm going to plug this into the wall outlet. And if you follow me outside, you'll see that I ran it right there out to the side of the apartment. And let me go to the front and I'll show you guys some more. So from up there, I ran it to about right there, all the way to the side of the apartment, up here, and just zip tied it along these cables right here out to the outlet. And to kind of get it waterproof, I used a clear poly bag, and there's the Tesla plug that is the adapter that goes into the actual wall connector, and it routes all the way over here. And it charges right up. So I'm charging at 246 volts and potentially up to 24 amps. Right now it's not charging fully yet because I've got it at only 90% battery. Let's see. Or 80%, one of the two. Well, it's only 14, 15, 16, 17 miles per hour because I've got the AC on. Turn the AC off. That went up to 25 miles per hour. I've seen it go as high as 26 miles per hour. But I mean, that's almost as fast as charging with the 50 amp NEMA 10-50 or NEMA 14-50 plug, the adapters, and a 50 amp outlet and 50 amp extension. So this is at 30 amps, and the max it pulls is 24 amps. The reason why it's only max at 24 amps is Tesla only allows you to pull 24 amps continuous with a 30 amp outlet and extension and whatever. But with a 50 amp outlet and extension, you can pull up to 32 amps, I believe. And it charges around 30 miles per hour. But I mean, at 25 miles per hour, you're not really losing much. And for an apartment complex, it's actually really, really good charging speeds. And I think you'll be very satisfied with this setup. Thank you so much for watching this video of the ways that you can actually live with an EV at an apartment complex. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like the video, share, subscribe, tell your friends, tell all your friends that want to own an EV but are hesitant because they live in an apartment complex. Refer them to this video. I've got the links down below of the things you need to get in order to make the same setup as mine. They're affiliate links, so it helped me out, it helped you guys out. I know it works. I've shown you that it works. But this is Automotive Economics. I'll talk to you guys next time.